Happy New Week. Thank you for joining us today at Abisho Trading. We're going to analyze XAUSD for today's learner session. As usual, we're going to break it down from daily time frame to the lowest time frame to see what you can get from the market today. I so today I'm using CTrader. I've migrated to CTrader because the new platform I'm trading is only accepts CTrader for now. So as you can see on the daily time frame, it's obvious that daily time frame is bearish. As I always said, um, if the daily is making lower lows, creating new lows, new lows, it's on a downtrend. If it's creating a high, it's on an uptrend. So I assume that daily is on a downtrend, considering that we are trading the lower time frame. So if you still down to the having in mind that daily is on a downtrend, so we're going to scale down to 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, you can see that it has already broken a support, a 4 hour support initially. Now it's creating a now the market is creating. Sorry, I'm finding it difficult to navigate through this. So the 4 hour is creating a support, which means 4 hour is buying, is basically retracing to this area to continue selling. So what you're basically looking for is for 4 hour to come to this area, create a resistance, and then start selling. However, we still have to go to the lower time frame to determine what our session trend is. So we go to the 1 hour. 1 hour just have to adjust. I've already created a support. It's breaking this. It's already breaking through this resistance, as you can see, and it's approaching another resistance here. So if you are to measure from this resistance, from how many pips from this resistance to this resistance, you see that we have about 49 pips to the next resistance, and from this resistance we have about how many pips? We have about 89 pips to the next resistance. So since we have something like this, we're going to still scale down to 30 minutes to see what you can get. For 30 minutes, we are still breaking above. This market is kind of, I don't know what to say, but looking at the way this is trying to close, I cannot. This resistance will be our major resistance, and this will be our minor resistance. Since we have enough bigger range, larger range from here, since we have a larger range from here to here, since we have bigger range from here, we have about some 3 pips range. So we're going to consider that as our major resistance where we're looking to buy from. So 30 minutes had also previously created a support here. So if you go to 15 minutes, yes. So what you are waiting for now is for the 30 minutes for the market to break and close above this area, above 33.20, then to see if you can buy up to around 33, 33. So that's what you are looking for. At least if you are able to catch about 50 pips and then leave the market. Or we will look for a resistance to form, a support to form around this area to sell to the downside. That's basically what you are waiting for. Let's see how the market goes. We are not eager to enter a trade. We're just looking forward to see a confirmation that would give us the best buyer to buy or sell. So if we are to analyze for DJ now is really giving us the vibe. As you can see, approaching daily is approaching a resistance that previously broken a support. Sorry guys, I'm finding it hard to navigate through this. But very soon I'll I'll be very okay with it. So 4 hour is breaking a support here. This 4 hour is breaking a support. You're looking for a pullback to continue selling towards this area. So towards this support, so 1 hour, yeah, exactly. So we can see it. So 1 hour had previously created a support. So what you're basically waiting for is if this 1 hour created a resistance, end up closing this way above the support and created a resistance, wait for a potential breakout of this resistance to see if you can buy to the upside and or a potential breakout below this support to see if you can sell to the downside. So if you go to the 30 minutes and see obviously 30 minutes has is creating a new support, I really can't say about it. So you just have to wait to see how what market is what structure market is going to form and how it's going to form those structures to see how we can either buy or sell in this market. You can see 1 hour 15 minutes start. So I only have a clear win on on the downside, which gives me more confidence selling than buying as far as I'm concerned now. So I can only look to buy above I can only look to buy from anywhere above 195. Yeah, that's the only way I can buy at the moment. Sorry guys, I'm not really comfortable navigating through this new platform, Trader. But it's okay. I can easily move my charts as much as I want, but I'm still finding it difficult to navigate through since this is my first time. But maybe probably by tomorrow I'll get used to it. So this is all I have for now. This is all I have for now to this analysis. For DPJ, I prefer selling more than buying, and you can only buy from this area since we don't have enough range. So we have more enough range here compared to the here. So I think I'm more comfortable buying from here from above. If market is broken above here, I'm more comfortable to have another range in this area compared to the this side. So this is a no trading zone for me. This is a no trading zone for me as far as I'm concerned. So all I'm looking for is for this 1 hour to close for this 1 hour to close bearish. If you close bearish, as the next candle is breaking this low, then I can look to sell at least to get 20 30 pips from this market. That's all for now. Thank you so much for joining us today. See you tomorrow, and I wish us a successful trading week. Thank you so much.